Hello everybody and welcome to the release video for version 1.28 of GoTechnology Hub 2. In this video I'll show you some of the highlights of the features that are included in this version. But of course if you want to see the full list you should just go to the release notes site, which is gotechnology.github.io, and in there you can find all the release notes we've ever done in a variety of formats. And those release notes include things like any fixed issues and of course details of all of the features. And this version of GoTechnology Hub 2, version 1.28, is all about preservation. So if you're watching this, I'm going to assume that you probably do know what preservation is, but just in case you don't, preservation is about maintaining unused equipment. So anything that you've got that's in storage, perhaps spares, that you want to maintain, you can do that through GoTechnology Hub 2. And that section for doing that has been in there previously, but we've put some enhancements in there. So some of the first stuff I want to talk to you about is the fact that we now have some visualizations, some visual reports for preservation. So you can just go into the Skyline section there, reports and skylines, you get a drop-down menu. Handovers was in there before, but now we've got this preservation work list one there, where we can see what the work lists are and when they're scheduled to be done. And we also have in here a planned versus actual for preservation as well. So if we go in there to, again, just enter reports and planned versus actual, and again, we can choose their handovers procedures and the new one, preservation. And we can see what's scheduled and we can see exactly what has been done. The next modification I want to show is the fact that we can actually assign tag preservation work lists now. So we can go into the tag preservation work list search section and we can just choose one of these, like this one right here, and we just click assign, and we can go assign to me, which is what I want to do, Josh, and hit the assign button. And then if we pull up the actual mobile app, so this is my Android device here, you can see that that has been assigned there. So what we have is we've actually added preservation work lists to our companion app as well. So previously we had the tag ITR section, now we've got tag preservation work lists as well, and we can go in there and we can download the digital document and we can fill in that. So let's go in and we'll do that now. And if we just click open on that, we can go in and we can fill in all the information we want just by going through the check sheet. So we'll just go through and we'll put OK. You can see obviously we've got the options there as well for adding attachments. If we want to, adding attachments, adding photographs. We'll just quickly go through and do this one though, so we don't need to do that. So if we go completed by, we'll just put me in there. We'll do the same thing here. And we are all done. And then, of course, we just get the option to upload that. There we go, and it's been uploaded successfully. And now if we go in here, we should be able to see all the changes that have been done. So you can see it's been assigned to me, it's been 100% complete. In there, we could generate that out as a PDF if we wanted to, but also now we can go in and we can see that that has been completed here. So if we go in, that was the one which was due on the 24th, so it was this one here, AO1P, that was due on the 24th, which is this one here. So if we just refresh that, we change it back to tag PWL, and we go across. You can see there that's been done, and we can refresh our planned versus actual as well. Do that, and look, there you go. You can see that in there too. And then the last thing to show you is just in the look ahead section, we've added an additional filter in there as well, so that you can choose if you want signed off to be included or not. So for example, if you want it to run in the same way as before, you can just go into not signed off, tick that and search that, or you can go for signed off and just get those. And that's it for this release. It's all about preservation. We had to do a lot of background work to get that in there and to update the mobile app, but hopefully it's something which really helps you out. Thanks very much.